Is AlphaGummy a miracle fix or a slick marketing trick? Let's cut through the hype. They promise a lot: more energy, better mood, stronger performance, and even boosted hormone levels, all natural and quick. That's the kind of messaging that gets clicks. But when a product makes broad, dramatic claims, the first question should be, where's the proof? Here's what doesn't add up. The site reportedly claims FDA approval and certification, but there's no paperwork to back it up. That's a big transparency red flag. When companies assert official approvals, consumers deserve to see the actual documents, not just bold text on a sales page. Next, look at the science. AlphaGummy cites studies, but they're about ingredients like vitamin D, not the product itself. Citing isolated ingredient research is not the same as proving a formulated product is effective. It's like calling a smoothie superfood because it contains one healthy fruit. The full recipe matters. Then there's the sales play, flashing countdown timers, huge save up to $294 banners, and pressure-style discounts. That urgency is designed to short-circuit critical thinking. Add to that the glowing customer reviews, many of which use stock photos or look suspiciously uniform. And you've got a pattern. Aggressive marketing plus weak evidence plus questionable testimonials. So, is it a scam? I won't call it fraud without concrete proof, but there are multiple red flags that make me wary. If you're tempted to try it, don't buy on impulse. Do 3 quick checks. Ask for FDA documents or third-party lab tests. Search for independent user reviews, not just the ones on the sales page. And talk to your doctor if the product claims to affect hormones or health. If you've tried AlphaGummy or dug up proof either way, drop a comment. I'll read them. Hit like. If this helped you spot the warning signs, subscribe for more straight shooting reviews and share this with someone who's about to click buy. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and shop smart.